Let's see how to insert mathematical symbols in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are many ways that you can insert mathematical symbols to your document. And for this, the first one is we can use the equation tab. And right here, when we click on the equation tab, we can see that we have lots of different functions that we can use to insert into our document. So for example, we have these Greek letters. We also have letter-like symbols. We also have mathematical operators and even scripts or geometrical symbols if we want to use angles. And if we don't want to use the equation field, we can also simply use the symbol function that is a feature in Microsoft Word. So make sure that you are in the subset mathematical operators and simply just scroll up or scroll down to make sure that you're able to find your, or rather, the mathematical symbol that you're looking for. And to insert it into your document, simply click Insert. And as you can see, we now have our mathematical symbol inserted into our document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.